The first sound effect is the creaky door. You're going to put your bow on the G and pull really slowly. Use heavy weight. The second one is the witches. You can pick any string and you're going to glissando up and down the strings. You're going to just really lightly touch the string. You don't have to press, just go. Like that. The bugs, you're going to flip your bow over so that the stick is touching the strings. You're going to tap. You could tap like on the bridge or around the side here. Try different strings, maybe away. That's the bugs. Skeleton dance. Hold your bow normal again. Go under your violin and then hit the back lightly with your bow. That's the skeletons dancing. Next is the bats. You're going to play the bats over here. You're going to go like a little tremolo on all the strings. That's the bats. And then the mummy's breath. You're going to start at the bridge and go away. Back and forth this way. Isn't that creepy? And then the last part, they're going to say something hairy comes up and grabs you and you go, ah! Just across all four strings like that.